Hey everyone, how's it going? I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, we're going to complete the CSS part of the car models and parts sections of our modern car website. By the end of this video, your site will look super sleek and professional, just like what you see on the screen right now. We'll be covering four major things today. 1. The car models section, which displays available car models. 2. The parts section, showing various car parts with style. 3. Smooth hover effects. 4. Cool card animations and pop-ups. As always, I'm using Visual Studio Code, but feel free to use any editor you're comfortable with. In the previous video, we completed the sections you're seeing now on the screen. If you missed that, don't worry. You'll find the link in the description and comment section. All image resources are also linked there for your convenience. So stick around till the end. You don't want to miss this. Let's jump right into the coding. First, we'll write the HTML and CSS for the car models section. Done. Let's take a quick look. Wow, it's looking clean, modern, and super stylish. The hover effects and the name pop-up animation really give it that premium feel. Now let's move on to the parts section. Awesome. The parts section is complete too. Let's review it. This looks absolutely stunning. The hover animations, the star ratings, and price display, everything's just working perfectly. In the next part, which is part 4, we'll cover the information section and the footer section. So stay tuned. If you'd like the source code, just drop your Instagram ID in the comments, and I'll send it to you directly. Until then, take care and happy coding.